The AI algorithm connects multiple legal cases, compares them, and it finds a common meaning of these legal cases which are different. And a precedent case is a verdict, and this verdict describes a principal case. And this case is binding for similar cases that judges decide in the future. So you create a precedent case by extracting the main idea of the case. This main idea is a general version of the case itself. The best example is a trial that can be solved regarding the law in question. A buys a book from B and A receives the book and B wants the money. This is a very concrete observation. So A is a specific person, B is a specific person, A and B are specific persons, and the book is a specific book. You create a general version of the statement. A person, any person, buys an item, which is any item, from another person, also any person, and receives the item. And the other person wants the money. Person A becomes any person who buys a book, and the person B becomes any person who sells a book. And the book is any item that can be sold. We generalize the statement because we want to transfer it to another statement. It's a statement we don't know. And so we can apply the statement to C, who buys a CD with a course from D. Whether an online course without a CD is an item is questionable. In this case, the CD complies with the rules. Two statements are concrete, and the third is general. These are the concrete statements. A buys a book from B, and A receives the book. B wants the money. C buys a CD with an online course from D. C receives the CD and D wants the money. The abstraction says a person buys an item from another person and has received the item. The other person wants the money. The AI algorithm that is appropriate to solve this task has 3 dimensions. The first dimension is concrete, in this case for A and B and C and D. The second level is abstract. This level only refers to the person who buys and the person who sells and the item they exchange. The third level is a logical level. It is related to reasoning. This level refers to the structure of the legal statement, and this is related to the material implication if-then. If a person buys an item from another person, then the person receives the item and the other person the money. The neural net processes these dimensions with a Markov decision process. The agent learns how the semantic and logical relations of this constellation are structured. The 3 dimensions refer to the hierarchy of abstraction, and a net of differential equations that is based on the material implication itself represents this hierarchy of abstraction. You divide the task into subtasks which are related, and you process the steps successively and partially simultaneously by using active learning.